Hi friends, welcome to Pebbles. Today we can discuss about Kerala State Syllabus First Standard Mathematics. Do you know the name of the first chapter? Yes, it is Tara's Home. Let's go through the pages. Yes, are you ready? Okay, look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? There are girls, hens, flowers, trees, house, coop, etc. Okay. How many girls are there? There are 2 girls. We don't know the names of their girls. How many hens are there? There are 2 hens. Is there chicks? Yes. How many chicks are there? 1 chick? No. There are 2 chicks. Can you see the 2 chicks? Yes, one is inside the coop. The other one is outside the coop. One chick is inside the coop and the other chick is outside the coop. How many coconut trees are there? There are 2 coconut trees are there. Is that in same size? No. One is tall and the other one is short. How many jackfruits are there on the jackfruit tree? Okay, there are 2 jackfruits are there. Is that in same in size? No. One is big and the other one is small. Then there are some birds. What are they doing? They are flying in the sky. The birds are flying in the sky. Are they in same size? No, they are in different size. Then there is a house. Can you see a nest there? A nest is hanging on the leaf of the coconut tree. A nest is hanging on the leaf of the coconut tree. There are so many flowers are there. Okay, let's go through the next page. Okay, yes, Tara came to see Meenu. Now we understood the names of that girls. One is Tara and the other one is Meenu. Okay. A big cow and a small calf. Meenu said, a big cow and a small calf. The young one of a cow is calf. The cow is big and the calf is small. Then Tara said, come on Meenu. See my Nandini Kutti. We've understood the name of that cow is Nandini Kutti. Come on Meenu to see my Nandini Kutti. Do you like Nandini Kutti? Yes, it is a cute name. And it is a cute cow. Okay, understood? The cow is big. The calf is small. Now a question. Which is the biggest one? Do you know which one is the biggest one? Is it cow or a calf? Yes, somebody said it is cow. Cow is the biggest one. Coop. Can you see a coop there? A hen also is there. And also a chick is there. Can you see the hen and chick? Yes. Then Meenu said the hen is outside. And the chicks? Then Tara said they are inside. First Meenu said the hen is outside. At that time Tara said the chicks are inside. The chicks are inside the coop and the hen is outside the coop. The hen is something eating. The chicks are inside the coop and they are looking at their mother. Now I am going to ask a question. Who is inside? Can you say the answer? Yes, the chick is inside. The chick is inside the coop. Understood? Then they saw a nest. Then Meenu said, look Tara, the crow's nest is on the top of the tree. There must be eggs. Can you see eggs in the nest? How many eggs are there? Yes, there are 4 eggs. Where is the nest? It is top. It is on the top. It is on the top of the tree. Meenu said to Tara, look, crow's nest is on the top of the tree. There must be eggs. At that time, Tara said, oh, there are ants here at the bottom. Can you see ants? It is at the bottom. Can you see the nest? It is at the top of the tree. The ants are at the bottom. The nest is on the top. Can you understood the top and bottom? Now I am asking a question to you. Who is at the bottom? Who is at the bottom? Is it a bird or ant? Who is at the bottom? Yes, ant is at the bottom. Bird is at the top. A bird is flying. Can you see a bird is flying? Yes, it is at the top, but the ant is at the bottom. Understood the top and bottom? Then Tara and Meenu saw a nest. Can you see a nest there? Yes, a nest is hanging on the leaf of the coconut tree. 2 coconut trees are there. Is there any difference between them? Is there any difference? Yes, we can see the difference. One is a taller coconut tree and the other one is shorter coconut tree. Where is the nest? It is hanging on the taller coconut tree. It is hanging on the taller coconut tree. It is hanging on the taller coconut tree. Okay, let's go through the next page. Then they reached near the jackfruit tree. Tara said, the jackfruits of this big tree taste like honey. It is more tasty. At that time, Meenu said more jackfruits on the big tree and less jackfruits on the small tree. Now, can you understood which one is big? Yes, more numbers of jackfruits on the big tree. How many jackfruits on big tree? There are 11 jackfruits on the big tree. And how many jackfruits on the small tree? Only 2 jackfruits on the small tree. Yes. There are 2 plants. Can you see the plants? Yes. Each plant has flowers. Yes. One plant is big and the other one is small. Now I am going to ask a question to you. Can you identify which is less? Yes. On the big plant there are 4 flowers. On the small plant only 2 flowers. So which is less? On the small plant. Next part is who is at the front? Who is at the back? They are walking. Then Tara walked in front of Meenu as they went to the pond. Tara walked in front of Meenu as they went to the pond. They are going to see the pond. While they are going to the pond, Tara walked in front of Meenu. When they are walking, there are spinach at the right side. Can you see the spinach? Ah, yes. The spinach are on the right side of them. And there are plantains are also there. It is at the left side of them. Can you up your right hand? Oh yes, very good. Can you up your left hand? Okay, ready. Now I am going to ask a question. Which one is the Tara's left side? Yes, plantains. Plantains are at the left side of Tara. Plantains are at the left side of Tara. Which one is at the right side of Tara? Yes, that is spinach. Spinach is at the right side of Tara. Plantains at the left side of Tara. Now you can also understood which is your right side and which one is your right hand, and also find out which one is your left hand, and understood which is your left side. Okay? Then they reached near the pond. When they reached the pond, they saw mountain there. Meenu said, "Look, there is a mountain, but it is far away from us." At that time, Tara said, "I want to go near it. I want to go near the mountain." Then Meenu said, No, we can do it later." Then Meenu said, No, we can do it later. Come on, time is going on. Let's come on. Shall we go? Now I am going to ask a question. Which one is near? There are two pictures are there. Mountain and pond. Which one is nearer? Yes, pond is near to them. The pond is near to them. So we can make a circle on the pond. We can make a circle on the pond. Okay? Now we also understood what is far away and near. Now we also understood what is far away and what is nearer. Then they reached the home. Then they reached the kitchen. Mother gave them snack. Then mother gave them snacks. Who got more? We already understood what is more and what is less. So you can say easily who got more. Yes, Tara got more numbers of laddus. I think it is laddu. Tara got more numbers of laddus. But Meenu got less numbers. Then next one. Tara said, "Wow, beautiful dolls." Then Meenu said, "These are my dolls. These are my dolls." Wow, beautiful dolls. Tara said, "Say beautiful. These are beautiful dolls." Then Meenu said, "These are my dolls. These are my dolls." There is a question for you. Can you give color to small doll? Can you give color to the small doll? There are two dolls are there. One is big and the other one is small. They said to you to color the small one. Okay? It is very easy. There are more questions to you. Can you see a cat there? And also a rat. Where is the cat? The cat is? Yes, tell me. The cat is on the top of the box. Where is the rat? The rat is at the bottom. The cat is on the top of the box. The rat is at the bottom. What is the question? Color the one on the top of the box. They said to color the one on the top of the box. Okay, then you should give color to the cat. You can color to the cat. Then one girl is sitting at the middle of two cats. One girl is sitting at the middle of two cats. One is in front. Oh, that is Tara. Okay, then next picture. A girl. Who is that? It is Tara. Tara is sitting in between two cats. Then you have a question to color the cat in front of Tara. Color the cat in front of Tara. Tara is looking at the cat. You should color that cat. Yes, look at the next picture. Yes, which one is small? You should draw a circle around the small one. Okay? The next picture. A boy is walking. Which tree is far? Draw a circle around it. Which one is far away? Yes, that is the small tree. Then look at the next picture. Who is inside and who is outside? Who is inside? Is it cat or rat? Who is outside? You don't know? Yes, who is inside? The rat is inside. And who is outside? The cat. Color the one who is outside. You want to color the cat. Then the next one. It is also, which one is inside? The owl is at the inside. And the other bird is at outside. Here also, you want to color the bird. Which one is outside?